BSW Engineering is a reliable partner in large-scale projects in Europe and Scandinavia. Based on previous experience and continuous monitoring of the industry, we have developed a unique approach to implementing projects and delivering high quality and safety standards for our clients. At BSW Engineering, we embrace innovation. We lead with integrity and hold ourselves accountable for every decision and action we take. We embrace changes as an invitation to grow, learn, stay open to innovation, and quickly adapt in a dynamic business environment. Our goal is to create true partnership in the implementation of every vision. That is why our clients trust us with complex and challenging projects, such as industrial buildings, data centers, hospitals, pharmaceutical companies, and other large facilities. Clients and employees are the foundation of our business. Everyone is different, so the first step for us is to seek mutual understanding. We focus on safety, quality, planning, reliability, and strive to build good relationships with teams, clients, and partners. Together, we can achieve significant goals and accomplish even the most complex of projects. We understand the importance of ecology in our daily lives, so we strive for environmental and economic sustainability in our daily work and projects. We are constantly looking for solutions to help reduce the footprint of our activities. We aim to use resources wisely, ensuring high efficiency every step of the way. BSW Engineering, innovating for a better tomorrow.